mega shout out, welcome to Pure Stone Heart, and once again we will do another video which is our favorite unboxing. And guys, this one I ordered, this one I saw this one online again yesterday. Yeah, yesterday evening. And I love the color. I love it when I saw it online, but today we will do the unboxing, guys, just to, what do you call this one, to check if what we saw online order it's the same in the reality, because sometimes iba, different talaga yung ano, guys. Yes, this one I'm so excited kasi wala pa akong kulay na ganito. Okay, yeah, this one. So sealed, yeah, factory sealed, I believe. So let's check, guys, kung the same ba to siya ng order natin sa picture. Oh, so paano ba to? Let me check. Kasi guys, this is simple only, but I love the color. The color. I hope this is reality. What do you call? Online versus reality. Kasi minsan na tayong nabudol, guys. So the phone, and this is the watch. Actually watch po siya, guys. Casio watch po siya. Casio watch. Water resistant 50 meters. But anyway, I guess okay naman siya with the price niya, guys. Yes. So okay naman siya so far. Meron siyang yung seconds niya, wala siyang second hand. Minutes and hour hand lang siya. Pero ang seconds niya siguro is yung nandyan sa loob. Nakita niyo ba? Ayan, makita ko na meron dyan sa loob. Ayan, merong digital. So, Japan. Made in Japan. Water resistance. Japan movement. Let's check, guys, kung maganda talaga siya. So, pag meron siyang lights. Meron siyang lights. I don't know how to set the clock for this one. But let's check. Ayan. So, may tatanggalin sigurong 4. Dalawa dito. And then dalawa din dito siguro possible. So, yeah, 4. Yeah, 4. So, maybe dalawa dito, dalawa din dito na area. So, it could be. So far, guys, okay naman. So I love it. The color is yellow. I love also the color. So I guess with the price niya is worth it. I believe it's worth it. So again, Thank you so much for watching guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel natin, please do like and subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be able to be subscribing my channel in my next video. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Mwah.